In today's video, let me teach you on how to add withdrawal address on Binance app. First, open the Binance app on your device and log into your account. Once you're in the app, then simply tap Binance logo on the upper left corner to go to your profile. In here, tap on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Now tap withdrawal address and then tap the plus sign icon at the top right corner. Now simply select what coin you want to add. For example, we'll add the BTC coin or Bitcoin. Next, paste the copied address that you have. For example, we'll be using the Bitcoin address from Trust Wallet. Open Trust Wallet, then tap on Bitcoin, then tap Receive button, and then copy the address right here. Now go back to the Binance app. Simply paste the copied address in the box provided, then make sure that the network is set to Bitcoin. Next, select the address origin. Choose Wallet from the pop-up, then open the platform option and select Trust Wallet. You have the option to add a wallet label, but for now, let's leave it as it is. Once done, tap Save below. Next, you need to verify it with passkey or other sign method to use on your account. After that, the withdrawal address will be added on the Binance app. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.